Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And those who are new to this channel, kindly make sure that you subscribe to this channel for the latest tech updates and the tech knowledge. So as you know that the 5 days AI agents intensive course with Google has been live and today is day 1. So for the day 1, you have received a link for the summary podcast, a white paper, and code lab link. Okay, so for the white paper, I have made a video explaining that in very easy and simple terms. So make sure that you watch this video, and you can also get a playlist, dedicated playlist for this 5 days AI Agents Intensive course, where all the material related to this 5 days course would be given. Okay, so for the code lab, you just have to click on build a web application, and you will be directed to a link. So for this, just need to go on next. You have to, click on this OpenAI Studio and you will be redirected, to this Google AI Studio app. Now go back to your lab and copy this command. Okay. Now, after copying this command, you just have to paste it here and click on build control. And it would take some time to build. So you have to, wait it to get completed. So give it the time it need. Now here you can select the design you need. So with the help of this button, you can navigate to the styles or the design. So I'm choosing, this elegant dark and then click on this, select this design. My application has been built. This is the application that is built. When you will click on this snowflake, the snowflake will be displayed on the screen. And when you will click on balloons, some of the balloons will just flow up on the screen. Okay. Now the next step here is to publish your app. Okay. So you just have to click on publish, and it would take some and click on get started. And here is the most important point. You have to set up billing. So most people are stuck in this step. So in this video, I will be telling you how to resolve this basically. So just click on agree and continue. So your free tier gives you I think two publishing apps. Okay. Now just click on submit and you will be directed to the payment page. So you have to just select your project and click on continue and click on publish your app so that your app is published, and it would take some time, and you will get the link from which you can access your app which you have made through Google AI Studio. So this is the app that I have created. So let's test this app which I have created. Okay, so when I will click on snowflakes will be displayed all over my screen, and I can also adjust the density whether I want it light, mid or dense. And when I will click on balloons, or the balloons will be displayed all over my screen. And see, it's showing the number of snowflakes and the number of balloons which have been displayed on my screen. And I think it's a really fun app, isn't it? So this was all about it, and you can also unpublish your app, and I would suggest that you should unpublish your app, otherwise you would get charged for publishing your app to the web. So make sure that you unpublish your app by clicking on the unpublish app button, which you can see just below the link. Okay, with this we have successfully completed our day 1 assignment of the 5 days AI agents course, and I hope you guys really like this video. So if you like this video, just subscribe my channel and hype my video, and do not forget to like my video. Meet you in the next code labs of the other days of the 5 days course. Till then, take care. Bye bye.